fashion tamer, the tame one, bringing you guys another wonderful wig review. And this wig is the infamous Kinky Straight by the Persephone company. That's right, me and Persephone had teamed up to bring you guys another wonderful wig review. Excuse me. So this wig, believe it or not, it's a repeat wig review that I'm doing. I did this one previously on the Fashion Tamer 69 channel. But she is one of my favorite units. She is 100% human. This is 360. It's a 360 cap construction. She's 22 inches. There actually are 5 combs on this unit. There are 3 combs in the front, along with the comb in the back with the adjustable straps. It comes in a very natural color. I did get this beauty off of Amazon. So yeah, so she was, I don't give out prices only because I hate to let a price like deter you from actually purchasing a unit. But she was actually pretty reasonable. I will leave the link in the description box of how to purchase this unit and how to get one of these lovely thick coursed units on your head. I do have the box, but it's in a pile of stuff that I have to go literally drag and dig out of. So I'm not going to show you guys the box right now, only because, I mean, it's just the box. That's pretty much it. Mine is 22 inches, so as you can tell, it does give you a good amount of length to it. And that's pretty much it, just like the basic details. Let me get into the initial review of my unit. I have worn this unit multiple times. This is actually my favorite get up and go type of unit. I do have mine tacked down with the got to be glued. I will leave a link below on how I tack down my units. I forgot to make you guys a video on how to make baby hair and the melting method that I do. So I will try to film another video for that with a similar wig, or if not, a different unit. But if you don't know about Kinky Straight is literally what it sounds like. It is a coarse texture that's blown out, and it gives you natural goodness. Oh my goodness. Like, she flows like, oh, you know, like she's silky straight, but then when you actually touch her, like, y'all can actually see the texture. Do y'all see that texture? Like, you can see the little waves that's in the, you can see the texture in this unit, and this is so natural, so breathable. This is actually a great all year round type of wig. You can wear this in the summertime with no issue. And of course, we're going through this whole nonsense. Well, not nonsense. We're going through this whole ordeal with the whole coronavirus. So it's almost like, hey, why not, you know, get on Amazon and buy yourself a wig. Ain't got nothing else to do. So yeah, kidding. But anywho, no, I love this unit. It's breathable. It's definitely big hair friendly. I love this wig. Any person that knows me knows that I love my textured hair. Like I said, she's cute, she's fun, and she's real cute. I don't know. I just love this. Like, I used a big barreled wand curl to do these real pretty waves. Sometimes I use a smaller one to like make it tighter and more fluffier. So it really depends on, it just really depends on your vibe. Like, believe it or not, my own hair is legit this length blown out. So, and I actually have a picture somewhere in this region. I have a picture of my real hair blown out, and I wand curled it, and it looks similar to this. So I love this unit. This literally mimics my own hair. So if you're a natural girl and you know for a fact that you're not trying to put heat to your hair, but you want to get a unit, you want to get up in this wig game, definitely head over to Amazon and hit up Persephone Hair. Look for their Kinky Straight, or you'll see it under their Italian Yaky. definitely cop you a unit, okay? Tell them Fashion Tamer sent you, the tame one. So, if this video was informative and to you guys liking, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Also, hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the tame one, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders, bye!